He had nothing. No money, no degree, no connections. But today, he owns 3 businesses, and he started with only his 2 hands and a broken bicycle. This is not a get-rich-quick story. This is the story of how real success is built. A young man lived in a small village. His name was Peter. Every morning, he watched rich people drive nice cars. He felt small. He felt angry. He thought, life is unfair. He wanted success. But he had no money to start a business, no father to guide him, no luck. So he did nothing. He just dreamed and waited. One day, his mother said, "Peter, we have no rice for tonight." That moment broke him. He walked to the river to be alone. He sat under a banyan tree. An old man was sitting there, polishing an old rusty lamp. The boy said, "Old man, I want success, but I have nothing. No money. No chance." The old man smiled. He handed the boy the rusty lamp and said, "Clean this. Make it shine." The boy was confused. "What will this give me?" The old man said, "Just clean it. Use only a small cloth and your patience." Peter thought it was foolish, but he had nothing else to do. So he started rubbing the rust. 1 hour, 2 hours. His fingers hurt. The rust was hard, but he kept going. After 3 hours, the lamp began to shine. It was beautiful. The old man said, "Now look at your reflection in the lamp." Peter looked. His face was tired. But his eyes were different. They were not sad anymore. They were focused. The old man said, "This lamp is your life. The rust is your excuses. No money, no help, no luck. That is rust. You removed it with patience and action." Peter understood. The old man continued, "Success is not about big money. It is about small, consistent effort. Do one small thing every day. Clean one piece of rust, and one day you will shine." Peter went home. He had no money, but he had a bicycle, a broken bicycle. He fixed the bicycle himself. Then he started delivering milk for neighbors. 1 rupee per delivery. People laughed. A big businessman delivering milk. Peter didn't care. He woke up at 4 a.m. every day, rain or sun. He never missed a day. After 6 months, he bought a second bicycle. He hired a poor boy to help him. After 1 year, he had 3 bicycles. He started a small tiffin service, delivering home-cooked food. He did not borrow money. He did not ask for a loan. He grew slowly, 1 brick at a time. 10 years later, Peter owned a food supply company, 200 employees, thousands of happy customers. A journalist asked him, "What is your secret?" Peter showed him a photo. It was a rusty old lamp. He said, "This lamp taught me that every man has rust, laziness, fear, excuses. Remove them, not in one day, but every single day. That is the only real success formula." And then he said something powerful. Listen carefully. People think they need $1 million to start. No, you need 1 small action. Today, right now. That is your broken bicycle. Use it. He looked at the journalist and smiled. Stop waiting for big money. Start with what you have, even if it's just 2 hands and a broken dream. Success is not having money. Success is having the discipline to clean your rust every morning, even when no one is watching. Start small, stay consistent, and one day, you will shine.